moment you finish your A-level exam, don't idle at home. Start something very quick. Okay? You need to fall into a process of earning. You need to fall into a process of gaining experience. What I'm telling you now is very important. You can put all your books in. Okay. A-level physics 2020 batch over. Put it in. Generally, stay at home. Some of you all have this huge plan. I will study, whatever, get a degree, and then start to work. That won't work. That won't work. You have to fall into a process of learning. You have to fall into a process of getting experience in the commercial market. I know some of you all will not want to go and work. You want to just stay at home, and then problem is you have problem at the end later. Every single boy here see that after A-level exam also, if your parent is buying and giving you food and clothes, that means you should be ashamed of yourself. Every single boy, single year. After A-levels also, if your mother, father is going to provide you food, if you giving no contribution, you should be ashamed of yourself. If you want to be ashamed of yourself and you have no shame, stay like that. Yeah. Apart from that, the moment you finish your exam, don't sit at home, play video games, watch movies and waste time. Because now time is very, very precious. You have no time to spend and waste. Yeah. You must start something, anything. You can say, sir, what is the job that they give me for my qualifications here? Go work somewhere, someplace. Sometimes if you can, work even for free. Get the experience. There is nothing more beautiful than working for free. There you know at the end of the month, you won't get a single penny. I mean, everybody in the office is not getting money. Is it clear? Fall into that process very quickly. Some of you might say, sir, we have to study. No. You can work and study. You can what? Work and study. Don't use the excuse that your parents tell you ask you to study. No. Stay at home and study, and then after your study, go. Now, modernly, that doesn't work. 1960s, it will work. 1970s, that will work. You are competing with people who are also coming from abroad after their degree. You are competing with people who are studying here and working as well. Is it clear? Therefore, most probably you will randomly start something. Some of you all, you can take the Sunday observe, Sunday times, check and see what you can do, what is more closer to your home, walking distance you can go. Most of the girls like to cook for bake or whatever. Maybe you should first go and work somewhere where they bake and make and do something. Some of you all are taking Instagram photographs of your mother's cooking and putting, I'm baking. That won't work. Remember, Instagram life is artificial life. Check and see how many takes you are taking. Just put one photograph there on Instagram. How many takes? How many filters? How many filters? How many filters? You just think. Life now is not like an Instagram photograph. You won't get many takes. Therefore, make sure that whatever you start doing, to decide and you do quickly. By now, you might have decided, medicine is for me. I'm good in medicine. First, then maybe you should go and at least work for free in a dispensary in your village. Dispensary in your village, you know the family doctor. You know the nurse working there. Tell the doctor, I come and work for free. I'll help you. Check and see whether you are suited for that life. Whether you will be happy doing it. Or whether you are happy being the nurse. Sometimes you have nurses who think they are doctors. And doctors who think they are nurses. Yeah. you have some doctors, the dressing also they only will do. The cleaning of the wound also only they will do. Writing the medicine also they only will do. The people who are happy writing the medicine and sending you off. And somebody else will be there, carefully you are checking and giving. Then at least you will know, though you have studied biology, now you can go to like the idea of selecting medicines and giving it. You are very careful in doing it. Maybe pharmacology is something that you should be looking into. Pharmacists. It is a very, they give a degree as well. University of Pennsylvania, Faculty of Allied Sciences, they give BSc Pharmacology. Then physiotherapy. So also BSc is there, the bioscience. So noting your age is minimized only for doctor, bioscience or whatever. Food and nutrition is there. So much of fields that you can go into. Is it clear? Just check and see where you are more interested in, and therefore that is the ones who are doing mathematics. Remember, my personal feeling is you are good in numbers. Therefore, you should go into somewhere where you can number crunch. You can work with numbers. Once you work with numbers, it's good for you. Banking is one place. Now, some of you all think banking means sitting on the counter collecting money. So that is for the commerce to do. Keep that for the commerce to do. Yeah. As math students, we have much more bigger thing to do in terms of what inside the bank. As science students also, they will take, after your A-levels, they will take people who are waiting, what you call university entrance, they take to the bank. They will teach you what's happening inside the bank. Apply and go. Work. See how it's working. Clear? Sometimes, I know one person. He says the biggest regret he has is once they called for the university, he stopped the banking job and he went for university. When he was working at Bank of BOC. He was working BOC, Turkish, I can't remember the place. Between Manu, BOC Manu. When he was working BOC Manu, he got university to go to Jharkhand. The manager in the bank told him, don't go. We are starting a small outlets, some in the bank outlets inside supermarkets. I will send you there as assistant manager, so your thing will increase. You can do banking exams and you can also do your university degree. He listened to his parents and stopped that banking job, went to do his degree. Still, he can't find a job after his degree. Still. So therefore remember, there are certain decisions in life that you make. Sometimes you ask from the wrong people. Your parents are one. No, I'll be frank with you. I like to talk straight. Your parents have a vision of you. That vision of you is not you. Your parents' vision for you is actually not you. It will not make you happy. You need to ask from somebody who is modernly working in this economy. Yeah. So sometimes you ask the wrong people and therefore you get the wrong answers. Once you get the wrong answers, you make wrong decisions. Is it clear? Minimum at least ask from about 10 people before you make any decision related to where you want to work, what you are going to do in the future. Yeah. Even the ones who are doing engineering, please talk. I'm sure some of you are guaranteed to become good engineers, doctors, whatever. Guaranteed talk can ask from somebody. Keep asking questions from somebody who will give you good answers, not answers that make you happy. Some people are black and white, they tell it as it is, and you don't like it. Those kind of people add to your life. They will keep your life in perspective. The ones who are near you, sugarcoating, whatever that is, how is it good? How is that good? Those kind of fellows in your life, gradually what? Remove. Yeah. I'll tell you one lesson. You need to remove those kind of people around you. The quicker you remove them around you from your life, the better for you to progress in life. Because you will associate people who will always keep you in perspective. If you are going into a bad relationship, you will have one people who will tell you black and white. He will tell you how it is, as it is. You might not like it, you might like the guy. But this fellow or this girl will put you in perspective. Is it clear? Same with the guy, same with the girl. Normally you don't want a relationship by not asking someone how to go. You ask them. The girls will ask. Actually the girls have good they have a good CID network. They will serve. Guys are sometimes very gullible. I think that's the way we are. Normally if a girl looks at you and smiles and all, you suddenly think of it as a wrong signal. She's just smiling. She's just what? Smiling. That's it. You also what? Smile at her and do your thing. Don't think anything but more intelligence. I have so much of friends. And sometimes even we, when we were enjoy everything, if they smile, they might be giving what? No. They are just smiling. They are just being nice. Or maybe they are not actually smiling at you. They are smiling somebody behind you. You just smile and go on. Some of you actually waste your time and energy like that. Yeah. For boys and girls, both, I'll give a simple general advice. Try to travel on your boat alone as long as possible. Try to sail your boat alone as long as. Yeah. You need to sail alone. You need to be the lone sailor. Yeah. And as long as you sail alone, the more freedom and less baggage you have in life. Yeah. The less baggage you have in life, the faster, the greater the acceleration. The greater the acceleration you have in your career, whatever you do. The more the baggage you have, you will not travel very fast, or you will travel less and regret. Yeah. Whatever happens, will happen. If you have to fall in love, you will fall in love. If it's going to be arranged marriage, you will fall into arranged marriage. If you don't marry, that's also there. Things like this, don't conform to the standards of your parents and your grandparents. Are you married? When are you having kids? How many? Only one. If they have to, two. Aren't you thinking about a third? You can never satisfy them. Don't base your decisions on people that will always ask for something more from you. Okay? You will always be a people's pleaser continuously all your life. Nothing will ever what? My simple advice to you is sail your ship alone as long as what? And that is something that you should do. And if you do it that way, most probably what? You can be a great success. Even if you are not successful, you will be very happy. And that is also really a good success. Being happy is also not great. Yeah. So that's about it. So I shall see you. Be contact in the group always. When you are disaster, when you are getting married, tell me. I will come.